GLM-5 just dropped and it's absolutely crushing all of the models, almost same as the Frontier models for the fraction of the price. Join my community to become AI researcher, a link below the video. It's already available on Open Router and it's actually gonna be free for some time, but this is the usual price. I will try giving it this math and letting it autonomously run some AI research experiments. We'll see. I'll make more videos and posts about this. I told it to come up with new attention mechanism to combine some math idea, and it came up with probabilistic manifold attention, which sounds cool. Let's see what it's all about. By the way, guys, I just got followed by Yang Songlin. I don't know why she followed me, but she finished MIT AI PhD in 2.5 years instead of the usual 4 or 5 years. So at the first glance, it does seem to make some sense. Maybe if I read this, understood this, I wonder if it can code this. I'm gonna also test coding, but not in this video. I'm gonna test it tomorrow. It does seem to use different math theorems to improve attention and give some ideas, but that's gonna be a quick test. What I want to have is like an AI that's like Opus 4.5, 4.6, but it's not so expensive, so maybe this can do the coding. We'll see. Hopefully this can do the coding so I can just let it run autonomously, do experiments, do a bunch of these agents, and then do research that way. But that's gonna be it for now, and see you in the next video.